I do all the onboarding and offboarding. I also do recruiting and some issues. We've recently just started the ATS, so obviously there's going to be some issues to arise, but we haven't run into like anything that has halted our experience from using it, and we really do love it. The ATS, I love that you can just email candidates right through the system and I don't have to send it from my Outlook email. I also love once we hire a candidate, we can also just send them straight to background check into onboarding. So it's very automated. I would say sometimes like two parts of the systems don't speak to each other as well. Like if I need to like update a supervisor, I'll have to update it in like two places, like one being the position seat and then the other being the actual employee profile. I would say a 9. I would say recruiting system. I've used many recruiting softwares and I definitely think Paycom is one of the best. A scenario where it's not, we have to run background checks that are get like notifications if someone was like arrested today. And you guys don't have that capability, so I guess that we have to use a different background check company for that. We did test out Rippling, which I didn't love. I think it's better for like a Gmail, Apple-based company rather than Microsoft. I've used Bullhorn, which was when I was working at a recruiting firm. I've used Greenhouse and Cornerstone as well. Paycom is definitely better than all of those options because it has everything, including like performance reviews. A lot of those systems are very limited. I would say it definitely saves me so much time because we're starting to automate a lot of the processes, like background check into new hire onboarding. So yeah, it's great. Highly recommend. I would say definitely a 9. I think it's very user friendly. It's nice having everything all just on one platform rather than having to use multiple different software programs. Positively, for sure, and saves time. So I use the IWant feature. I know it's new and it still needs improvements, but recently I used it to like see who has birthdays this month and it's been helpful. But I think there's still room for improvement on it. Yes. 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 We have a training platform. It's called Treliant, and that's where all of like our mandatory HR courses are, like sexual harassment courses, which we love. I would love for that to be able to speak to Paycom. That would be great. So maybe in the future. I would definitely recommend it for sure. It just doesn't speak to any other software programs, but probably like out of 5, like a 3.